Good morning, dear students. Our lesson today is about halogens or group 7A, which is considered as one of the main groups in the modern periodic table. It's located in the right side, in the p block elements. This group contains the following elements, which are F fluorine, Cl chlorine, Br bromine, I iodine, and finally At astenine, where astenine is a radioactive element, so it's unstable element. They called as halogens, which means forming salts. That's because they react with metal forming salt, such as the following experiment, which explain the reaction between sodium Na and chlorine Cl to produce sodium chloride NaCl or table salt, where another method to make this reaction by passing chlorine gas through sodium to produce sodium chloride, which is a table salt. Metal and non-metal producing salts. This another reaction, which is the reaction between liquid bromine and adding sodium. They will form sodium bromide, which is salt too. Also, the reaction between iodine and sodium to form sodium iodide. We can conclude that any element in group 7A reacts with metal forming salt, so they known as halogens, which means forming salt. General properties of halogens. First, they are monovalent elements. That's why, because all of them contains 7 electrons in their outermost energy level. For example, F, which has atomic number 9, its electronic configuration is 2, 7. Another example, which is chlorine with atomic number 17, its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So they are monovalent. They tend to gain only one electron during the chemical reaction and change into negative ion. Each element after gaining carries one negative charge. Example, fluorine 2, 7. After gaining, it becomes 2, 8 with only negative charge. Another example, chlorine 2, 8, 7. After gaining, it becomes 2, 8, 8 with negative 1 also. Second property that they exist in the form of diatomic molecules. Fluorine F2, chlorine Cl2, bromine Br2, iodine I2. Number 3, their physical state is graduated from gas to liquid to solid, where both fluorine and chlorine are gases as shown. Bromine is liquid, which has a brown color. Iodine is salt, which has a violet color. As shown, fluorine and chlorine are gases, bromine liquid, iodine solid. Number 4, they are very active elements. So, they never found in elementary state, but they form chemical compounds. Never found chlorine Cl2 or bromine Br2. For example, you can find chlorine in form of sodium chloride NaCl, which is table salt found in the water of the sea. Also, bromine never found as Br2 liquid, while it found in form of sodium bromide, which can be found also in the in the water of the sea. The same is for iodine. Number 5. As we explained before, they react with metals forming salt. This is the reaction between potassium K with bromine Br2 forming potassium bromide KBr. Also the reaction between Na and chlorine forming sodium chloride. Number 5. Each element can replace the element below in its salt solution, where the order of the elements are F, Cl, Br, I. As chlorine more active than bromine, it can replace it from its salt solution, forming potassium chloride and bromine Br2. The same in case of bromine with potassium iodide, where bromine more active than I, and I is below bromine in order, so bromine can replace iodine. Chlorine replace bromine as the following experiment: Cl2 plus 2KBr forming 2KCl plus Br2. Obtain, guys. The brown color is the color of bromine, so bromine starts to appear. بصي انا وقفت بقى، ما سيفتش، ما عملتش اي حاجه. شوفي انت بتسيفي ازاي. انا عملت بس كده، وقفت مش هكملش الفيديو.
وقفتي وقفتي الفيديو ولا وقفتي التسجيل؟
وقفت الفيديو.
لا
وقفت التسجيل. شكرا حبيبتي.